Hi guys, come with me to EKO Atlantic. We're here to catch up with 6 bridesmaids and it's going to be amazing. So guys, I welcome you all to my first vlog where I get to show you how I move around the city of Lagos from one bride to the other, from one party guest to the other. And in this video, this is me arriving the LC Tower. It's also called EKO Pearl Tower. So here I'll be showing you a better view of it. So guys, here I am taking a quick walk to the reception, and then I had to show you guys the serene environment in EKO Pearl. And then I met with Stephanie. Stephanie is my sweet client. She booked us via Instagram and the hospitality was so amazing. As a fresh guy now, you have to show yourself sometimes, just give yourself that treat. Hi guys, so here we are at LC Tower and let's go. This hotel has such great views, great environment, very calm, and luxury. Everything here is just luxury. So this is me waiting for almost an hour, and I'm sure my colleagues in the industry will understand what I'm talking about. Alright guys, style was definitely with me, so she wanted a very simple style, and I was going to do something that has a twist on the side. So my formula for this style is 45-55, and then I'm going to be tying on the side. Alright guys, I'm sure by now you should be used to the way I tie gele on this channel, and first thing first you need to do is get your measurement, which is your 45-55, and then you base your gele. So for this gele we're doing a V base, and then instead of having a shorter hand on the one that is crossing in front, we're going to be having the longer hand. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Alright guys, so for those of you that might not understand this tutorial, this short vlog tutorial, you can watch this style on my channel. I have this style on my channel and I'll be dropping the link in the description below. So here's the final look. This gele is looking so nice and petite. This is amazing. You can learn how to tie this style and many more on this channel. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't get to miss out on any of my videos. Welcome back guys. So unfortunately I was unable to vlog all the ladies I styled gele for, so I was only able to vlog for 2 people, and this is the second person. So for this second person I will also be doing a very simple style. So for this style I'll be doing a 45-55 measurement. I'll be using a 2/4 sego gele. We'll be doing something similar to the first one, but it's just going to have fans on 2 sides. So guys, you're going to be making your shorter and longer, which means your 45-55 is going to be on your right, not your left. The regular way to measure is 45-55 on your left, but now you're going to be doing on your right. So you can make your shorter hand as long as you want it for you to be able to pick your fans. Gradually pick your fans and lay them on top of each other until you get to the side, and once you get to the side you're going to twist and pin down. So you're going to twist and pin down at the back. For this style I also have a video on my channel. I'll also be dropping the video link in the description below. So guys, you're going to pick your fans one by one until you're done, and then you're going to twist in. You're going to twist forward, not backward, and then you're going to pin at the back. once you're done pinning at the back, you come back to the front and you do the necessary neatening and tidy up your gele. I always emphasize on finishing. Your finishing is the one that adds spice to your gele, so make sure you do your finishing properly so that your gele can come out nice. So here's the finished look of the gele, and she really loved that gele. You can see how she's smiling and she cannot wait to rock her gele in the party. I'm sure you guys enjoyed this vlog. You enjoyed every part of it and you learned one or two. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up and share with